Revolut offers three primary methods for sending money, each designed for different use cases and preferences. These streamlined capabilities have helped maintain Revolut's position as a leading digital banking platform. Contact-based transfers are the most convenient method for sending money between Revolut users. These transfers are instant and free, with enhanced contact synchronization that automatically detects which of your contacts use Revolut. Username transfers allow you to send money using unique Revolut usernames, like at John Smith. This method provides a social media-like experience that's particularly popular among younger users, with enhanced search functionality and verification badges. Bank transfers come in two main types. SEPA transfers work within Europe and typically process within 1 to 2 business days. SWIFT transfers handle international payments outside the SEPA zone, with improved exchange rate transparency and reduced processing times. Here's how the bank transfer process works. SEPA transfers use the Target Instant Payment Settlement System for efficient processing within Europe, while SWIFT transfers may involve intermediary banks for international routes. These three methods give Revolut users flexibility in how they send money. Contact-based transfers for instant free transfers between users, username transfers for a social experience, and bank transfers for traditional banking needs both within Europe and internationally. The first method is sending money through your contacts. This is the quickest way to send money to friends and family who are already in your phone. Start by opening the Revolut app and navigating to the Payments tab. Then tap Send and choose a contact from your phone's contact list. Enter the amount and select your currency. Add an optional message if needed. Then confirm the transfer using your biometric authentication or PIN. The second method uses Revolut usernames. This is perfect when you know someone's Revolut username but don't have them in your contacts. Navigate to Send Money, then select to Revolut User. Enter the recipient's username starting with the @ symbol or search by their name. The third method is bank transfers, used for sending money to traditional bank accounts or international transfers. Choose Bank Transfer option, then enter the recipient's bank details, including their IBAN or SWIFT code. You'll need to specify the transfer purpose for regulatory compliance. International transfers may require identity verification. Simply follow the prompts to take a quick photo for verification purposes. Always verify recipient details before sending large transfers. Use only the official Revolut app and monitor your account notifications for any unauthorized activities.